Why rest alone does not fix burnout. Many people believe that rest should fix burnout. You stop working. You sleep more. You slow down. And yet, after weeks or even months of rest, you may still feel exhausted, foggy, overstimulated, or quietly tense. That can be confusing and sometimes unsettling, especially when you feel that you are doing everything right. This video is not about pushing yourself, and it is not about fixing burnout. It is about understanding what is happening in the body during long periods of stress, because understanding can reduce fear, and fear keeps the stress system active. When we talk about stress, we often think of it as being busy or overwhelmed. But in the body, stress works differently. Your nervous system has one main task: to keep you safe. When it senses pressure, danger, or overload, it shifts into a state of alertness. Your breathing changes. Your muscles prepare for action. Your attention narrows. This response is not a problem. It is a survival function. The difficulty begins when this state lasts too long. With long-term stress, the nervous system does not fully return to rest. It stays partly activated, even when nothing urgent is happening. This is not a choice, and it is not something you control. It happens automatically. By the time burnout appears, the system has often been alert for a very long time. So what happens when you rest? Rest lowers external demand. Less noise. Less pressure. Less stimulation. That helps. But rest alone does not automatically tell the nervous system that it is safe again. From the body's point of view, very little has changed. The system learned to stay alert because it believed that was necessary. It does not unlearn this just because activity stops. This is why people can rest and still feel tense inside, or exhausted, yet unable to truly relax. This does not mean rest is useless. Rest is essential. But rest is not the same as regulation. Rest is the absence of demand. Regulation is the return of safety. And safety is something the nervous system learns slowly, especially after long periods of stress. So when rest does not seem to work, it does not mean something is broken. It means the system is doing what it was trained to do: protect you. This also explains why recovery often feels uneven. Some days feel lighter. Other days feel heavy again. That does not mean you are going backward. It means the system is adjusting, learning, settling. Burnout is not a failure. And it is not a personal weakness. It is the result of a nervous system that has been under pressure for too long. Understanding this can soften self-blame and reduce the urge to force recovery. Nothing here means you are doing something wrong. And nothing here means your body cannot change. It simply means that change takes time. And that understanding is part of allowing that process to unfold more gently.